Hello, my name is Himesh Bhat. I made this simple circuit that let you transfer audio signals through light. This circuit works by using this card reader that reads a card and outputs a audio signal. That audio signal is very weak, so I used an amplifier that will increase the audio signal and power this LED. The LED will glow. The brightness of the LED will depend on the audio signal, and the light will be again converted into audio signal through this solar panel, and the converted audio signal is very weak, so I used another amplifier. The amplifier will power this speaker, and speaker will produce sound. I using two different DC source, a old power bank and a battery. If I block the light, it will stop playing music. If I remove the cardboard, it will start again. This is how a fiber optic cable transfers data through light. Thank you.